Hi, everybody. It's Mary Trujillo with the K Grant Group through my home group. I want to welcome you to my newest listing. It's located out in Canyon Trails, which is in Goodyear. This is an amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a pool in a great location, easy access to the 101 and the 303. I want you to take a look around. Let me know what you think. Well, what'd you think? Told you it's a great house. This amazing community is waiting to welcome you home. Give me a call. I would love to show it to you.